Hello dear traders, you are watching a weekly link up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stihina. In our program we discuss the ongoing situation on Forex and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. Technical analyst Peter Yakimovic will give us his expert advice. This week the US dollar rallied, putting its major opponents under pressure. The single European currency was no exception. Today the euro-dollar pair is trading near the 3-month low. Hello Peter, what is your outlook for this pair?
On the euro versus US dollar, what I found is the breakout of the massive support, which was set at the price of 1.255. This was a massive support, and I found that basically price did a successful breakout of this support. I also found that there is a successful breakout of symmetrical triangle in the background according to the daily time frame, and this is a bearish breakout, and this is a very good sign that sellers are in control on the euro versus US dollar, and might is up to watch for selling opportunities in this currency pair. Now, according to the daily time frame, I found potential take profit levels, and the first take profit level is at the price of 1.2075, and this is a basically support based on the previous price action according to the daily time frame, and this is the level where the euro USD may find some support, and this may be a good level to secure your position break even or to scale some part of your position. But the major objective basically on the euro versus US dollar is at the price of 1.1920, and this is a projection of the symmetrical triangle according to the daily time frame. So again, watch for selling opportunities, successful breakout of the key support, which held for few months, and this is a key moment for the euro USD. So watch for selling opportunities.
The same situation is seen on the chart of the pound-dollar pair. The British currency struggled to hold on higher levels against its American counterpart. However, weak macroeconomic statistics from the UK triggered a steep fall in the cable. What can you say about it?
On the British pound versus US dollar, what I found basically, according to the 4-hour time frame this time, I found a potential double bottom formation, and there is I placed a stochastic oscillator, and I found there is a hidden bullish divergence on the British pound versus US dollar. So this may lead to potential rally on the British pound versus US dollar, and because of this, selling looks risky. So my advice is to try to watch for buying opportunities, and the first upward target is at the price of 1.4130, and the second target is at the price of 1.4345. Again, this is because of these divergences on the 4-hour time frame and potential double bottom. Anyway, if you see the breakout of the support of this double bottom, then this may lead for a new downward movement, and again, critical level is this double bottom support. So if this can hold, then watch for buying opportunities with the first target 1.4130. If you see the valid breakout of this double bottom support, then you watch for a selling opportunity.
This week it became clear that traders got tired of buying safe haven assets. Thus, the Japanese yen is losing its appeal. What do you think, Peter? Will this pair manage to sustain bullish momentum?
On the USD versus Japanese yen, what I found basically is that since my last forecast, my previous forecast on the USD versus Japanese yen, the head and shoulders formation is doing a good job according to the daily time frame, and basically the price is approaching the projection of this pattern. The projection is somewhere around 110.15, and this is the level where I also found a 200 simple moving average, so which makes this even bigger resistance and bigger level to watch for potential, where the potential sellers may come in the market. Stochastic also look overbought, and there is still some space for the upward prices. There is no any pattern bearish or any big sign of the weakness so far, so this is still in the bullish trend, but be careful when buying. It seems like USD versus Japanese yen went basically into this overbought zone, and again 200 simple moving average and projection of this head and shoulder formation around 110.15. So watch for potential buying opportunities, but be careful when if the price reaches this resistance, and then if you see the supply coming, you may also start to look for potential selling opportunities.
The influence of the American currency extended on the whole market. First of all, the safe haven and commodity currencies came under pressure. The neighboring currency was not immune to the greenback's influence as well. For example, the Canadian dollar is set to end this week in the negative territory against the US dollar.
On the USD versus Canadian dollar, what I found basically is the price basically back into the head and shoulders formation range from a few weeks ago, and this is a basically sign that buyers are still active and that there is still demand on the USD versus Canadian dollar. Because of that, and because I found basically that the upward channel, price may go to revisit the upward diagonal of this channel. And my last watch for buying opportunities for now, and the first upward target is at the price of 1.2940. This is basically the right shoulder of this head and shoulders formation. According to daily time frame, this is a critical resistance. If you see the value breakout of this USD Canadian dollar, may go to visit 1.3120, which is the key swing high according to a daily time frame.
Peter, thank you for your trading recommendations. See you soon. You have watched the big link up on InstaForex TV channel. This edition was presented by me, Kate Stichina, and Petar Jakimovic, a technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you healthy profits. See you soon.